A very warm welcome to my channel and lots of good wishes to everyone. So friends, if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, do subscribe it and press the bell icon to never miss the updates. Welcome back to my channel, guys. So in last video we covered definition of ROP, its stages and zones. Today we will discuss about its treatment. So let's start. But before just knowing about the treatment, let's discuss that what is a plus disease. So its definition is that plus disease is defined as arterial tortuosity and venous dilation at the posterior pole. So along with the stages of ROP, means it can be any stage. You know that there are in total 3 stages, 1, 2 and 3. So there at posterior pole we may find huge engorgement of the retinal vessels. In fact, I have a diagram to show you that how it looks. See here the vessels at the posterior pole. What we notice that veins here are dilated. You can see that veins are dilated here. Then you can also find twisted arteries, isn't it? So it indicates a plus disease here. Okay. Let's check in brief about the zones and the stages. If you wanna check this out in detail, you may watch my previous video. Okay. So now we know that ROP has 3 zones. Zone 1, whose radius is twice the distance between the optic disc and the macula, right? Then zone 2, then comes the zone 2, जिसका radius extends from the optic disc to the nasal oris aorta, right? And this crescent shape is the zone 3. Fine. Now you know that ROP has 5 stages. One is the demarcation line, then second comes the ridge, then third one is the extraretinal fibrovascular proliferation, then partial RD and the total RD. Now how the treatment goes like. See, disease can be pre-threshold or threshold. We will cover this pre-threshold and threshold in coming slides. So just here we are discussing about the treatment. Okay. So what happens that the treatment varies. ठीक है, प्री थ्रेशोल्ड का ट्रीटमेंट और थ्रेशोल्ड का ट्रीटमेंट वेरी करता है डिपेंडिंग अपॉन द सीवियरिटी. तो इफ इट इज़ प्री थ्रेशोल्ड, so screening is done of the infant with indirect ophthalmoscope. Okay, with indirect ophthalmoscope. और उसको हमको क्लोज फॉलोअप में भी रखना पड़ता है. फाइन. बट इन द थ्रेशोल्ड what happens that photocoagulation is chosen depending upon the severity and which this laser photocoagulation or कौन सा laser, diode. Okay, diode one. Now pre-threshold disease is classified into 2. Okay, one is a high risk and another one is a low risk. High risk means that it can convert into threshold at any time. Okay, so एक तो लेज़र फोटोकोगुलेशन डिपेंडिंग अपॉन द सिवियरिटी अगेन एंड क्लोज्ड ऑब्जर्वेशन में भी रखना पड़ता है. सो हेयर लाइक इफ हेयर देर आर टोटल three conditions of the high risk. If ROP is present in zone 1 along with the plus disease at any stage, at any of the stage plus disease zone 1, फाइन. या फिर zone 1 में है और stage 3 पर ROP है एंड लास्ट वन है प्लस डिजीज़ के साथ में कोई भी स्टेज है, सॉरी नॉट कोई भी स्टेज, स्टेज 2 या स्टेज 3 है. ठीक है, दैट इज़ अ हाई रिस्क और उसको लेज़र फोटोकोगुलेशन करना होता है. इन लो रिस्क इट कम्स जोन 1, देन जोन 1 है तो स्टेज 1 एंड स्टेज 2, जोन 2 है तो स्टेज 3 एंड हेयर द इन्फेंट और द पेशेंट इज़ केप्ट फॉर द वीकली फॉलोअप. ओके, नाउ थ्रेशोल्ड डिजीज़ में ROP is present in stage 3, zone 1 या 2 along with the plus disease. तो इसमें आप देखो कि stage 3 जो कि proliferation वाला stage है, it may lead to RD even. Then zone 1 and zone 2 की severity भी बहुत ज़्यादा होती है and plus disease something which is again dangerous. तो threshold disease में हर वो चीज़ इन्वॉल्व्ड है जहाँ पे आरओपी की सिवियरिटी बहुत ज़्यादा है, राइट. एक तो ये कंडीशन होता है. अनदर वन इज़ लाइक if ROP is present in 5 continuous or 8 discontinuous clock hours. मतलब see here, can you see this? Here it is written 12, 3, 6 and 9. These are the clock hours here. जैसे मानिए अगर 12 o'clock से 5 o'clock तक में आरओपी प्रेजेंट है तो ये क्या हो गया, 5 कंटिन्यूस. मीन्स लाइक 12 से 1, 1 से 2, 2 से 3 लाइक दैट. ओके, सो दिस इज़ 5 कंटिन्यूस. ओके, एकदम लगातार है. या तो फिर डिसकंटिन्यूस या टुकड़ों में 8 क्लॉक आवर्स में आरओपी प्रेजेंट हो. तो in this case we need a laser photocoagulation with the diode as early as possible within the 72 hours. Okay, then there are some screening protocols like, if gestation is less than 28 weeks, screening has to be done on the 2nd week of the age या birth. And if it is greater than 28 weeks, तो हमने इसको वेट के हिसाब से लाइक इफ़ इट इज़ लेस देन 1.7 kgs देन 3rd week of birth में वी हैव टू परफॉर्म द स्क्रीनिंग. एंड इफ़ इट इज़ ग्रेटर देन 1.7 kg देन 4th week of the birth में screening is done. So you can see here like 2, 3, 4. It's easy to remember, I guess. Okay, thank you. Millions of thanks for watching my video. And if you like my work, then do like, comment and share. Till the time, keep learning and keep growing.